The Cascade School District has placed a bond proposal on the May ballot, Measure 24-456. Why is the Cascade School District asking voters to consider a bond? Many of the schools in the district are at least 50 years old, and some schools are more than 100 years old. Although well-maintained, CSD schools face challenges, including health, safety, and security requirements have changed. Every school in the district has communication systems, fire panels, alarms, security systems, or entryways in need of repair or replacement. A growing community. Enrollment has increased by more than 400 students in the last 8 years, and the district's 5-year projections suggest that every school may be over capacity by 2025. Aging school buildings. The average age of our schools is 79, and some schools have aging foundation, electrical, heating, lighting, and cooling systems in need of repair or replacement. Increased demand for vocational education. If passed, the proposed measure would enhance vocational programs for students pursuing a health services, science, or trades career. If Measure 24-456 passes, it would fund health, safety, and security improvements, address overcrowding, make repairs and energy upgrades, and expand vocational programs. If the proposed measure passes, the state of Oregon would award the district a matching funds grant of $4 million to help fund proposed bond projects. The current tax rate, which passed in 2005, is $1.21 per $1,000 of assessed value. If the proposed measure passes, it is estimated that taxpayers in the Cascade School District will pay $2.13 per $1,000 of assessed value for 25 years. If the bond does not pass, the safety and security, infrastructure, repair and renovation projects outlined in this video would not be completed, and taxpayers would continue to pay the current rate of $1.21 per $1,000 of assessed value. If the measure passes, funds could only be used for projects approved by voters. An independent, citizen-led Bond Oversight Committee would be established to oversee the use of bond funds. Want to see a list of proposed bond projects or learn more? Visit cascadeschoolbond.org. And please remember to vote by May 18, 2021.